She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lawtis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is for helping kids manage meal times, in particular kids who overstuff. One quick trick is to pair up alerting foods. So rather than just give your child cheese, give them cheese on a cracker. So you're taking two textures and you're pairing them up. Okay, so it's more alerting. You could also take, say, a bread, like a sandwich type of bread, and pair it with a crunchy peanut butter instead of with a smooth peanut butter. So again, you're taking two different textures and you're pairing them. So you can be real creative with this depending on what your child actually likes, but try to pair up alerting foods. Alerting foods are typically pretty crunchy, maybe even spicy. So oftentimes people will go in that direction to try to wake up the mouth and just give it more sensory input and awareness. Give this a try and look through the playlist for all the other strategies so you can see what else might suit your child.
Boots, likes to slow dance to some old school. She take a full moon, no city nights, and ice.